Good morning. So we're up about to go have breakfast. We have a presentation today, and then we're supposed to go to the water park, but it's freaking raining, so now I don't know what we're gonna do. And if y'all can't tell, I'm kind of like sick, and my baby is like really sick. She has no voice at all. Say hi, mama. Say hi. And my poor baby is sick on vacation, so we gotta stop and get her some medicine. Hopefully she'll feel better. I need to find my phone. Oh. Alright, y'all ready? Alright, we're gonna go have breakfast.
Mommy!
Hold Daddy's hand. That's pretty. At the car. Feels good out here. I don't know. This one? The second one's ours? Yeah, it do. So it's like 3:20, you guys. And we haven't done anything of value all day because we went to our presentation and they took forever. So we were supposed to go to Aquatica and we didn't get a chance to go, and I'm kind of sad about it. But right now we're going to go do helicopter rides. So yeah, like I said, we're gonna go get in the van something to eat first and then go to the helicopter ride. And then afterwards, if it's not anything that we want to do, we're gonna come back to the hotel and go to the pool, because like we really wanted to take her to the water park, but it just didn't happen. I know she'll really enjoy that, but we have a Six Flags membership anyway, so whenever it opens in May, we could just take her there as much as we want. So it's cool. We're here. Orlando helicopter tours. Yeah, I'm so freaking nervous right now. I can't believe I'm about to do this, and with my child nonetheless. What? You know you nervous too. He know he nervous. He just don't want to say nothing. Oh, there's one right there. Can y'all see it? We're about to be on there. Throw it, Mama. Throw it. Good job, baby.
There's another one.
Did you get it to cut off?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got dimes and nickels. What you throw apart? Throw apart.
Just standing right here. So it's like 3 something now. Our helicopter time is at 3:40. Is it 3:45 or 4:45?
4:45.
4:45.
4:05.
So yeah, it's 4:05. Ours is at 4:45. My timing was off. So we're just walking around, seeing what's over here, and then we're gonna head back by like 3:30. Oh, I'm so nervous, y'all. Our thing is only 3 minutes though, so it'll be over before you know it, and we can say we've been on a helicopter. They don't have much.
It'd be cool if I made
Dream official
gift shop.
Yeah, we can go in here. So small.
You got stuff.
Nevaeh. Hello.
Hello guys, how are you?
We're fine. How are you doing?
Good, thank you.
Oh, those are cute. They have like all the Disney stuff in here.
Yeah, there's a hat.
That's cute. They have little keychains. Maybe I'll get me a keychain. Really?
Yeah, that's a nice shirt. You don't need it.
No, you can't even fit it.
You like them more than you like Minnie?
That's Frozen, baby. Where's Minnie? Did you meet Minnie Mouse yesterday?
You need a belt.
Yeah, she does.
That's Mickey. Move down here. This is her side right here.
That's cute.
Oh,
Put it back, girl.
me.
Touching stuff, honey.
Oh, this is
What
where
are
they
these
bought those.
t-shirts? Cool.
A lot of people like this.
Oh yeah, that's cute. That's cute. Mrs. always right. Yeah, that's cute. Come, put that back, baby. Don't just be grabbing stuff. Get it, mama, get it.
Damn.
Say, this is my two-step. Get it, mama. We're about to go to the pool. At the pool, mommy. Do you want to go to the pool?
Yeah.
Alrighty. Going to the pool. Gonna have fun. Water. Oh, the bug just flew in my hair. Come here, babe. There's not the other people at all. There's the pool.
Yeah, you got it. Keep going.
Wait a minute.
I got it. I got it. See? Stand up. You want to go back a little bit further?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kick, mom. Kick. Kick. That's it.
Orlando Eye. That's it right there. So pretty. Let me look, baby. Look over there.
Oh, was it close to me?
So we're on our way to the Eye. I'm thinking about doing the 4D experience, which I don't really know what that is, but we gonna see.
Let's do it.
Mommy, you excited?
Yeah.
She saw the lights when we were driving and she's like, ooh. You can get it. Oh, yeah. Ooh.
Take it slow.
You're up high, huh, mommy? You're up high?
Yeah.
Yeah, you are.
근데 라이브 뮤직 나와.
Ticket. Someone is at the iTicket.
Okay? Yeah, it's red. What color is
Red American cookies.
it? It's red? That was yellow. Yeah.
She's like, it's changing colors.
Want to throw a nickel, a dime in there?
Mommy, good job.
No, these are quarters.
Yeah,
We
no.
don't throw quarters.
No. All right, come on, let's go get some ice cream. So we came for cookies instead. The Great American cookies. Is it good?
Did you tell them about what happened?
Oh yeah, the eye was down for maintenance and they closed at 10. It's already like 9:30 and they kept telling us to just come back another day, but we're leaving tomorrow, so we just took that as a sign. So we didn't get to ride the eye, but at least we saw the area. It was really nice. These are my cookies. Big cookies. So we're just gonna eat our cookies and then we're gonna head back to the hotel and go to sleep. Rest up for the drive back tomorrow.